Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So, back to another update on my 370Z. I finally had my friend stop by, bought his Motordyne, his lovely Motordyne ART Test Pipes. I got my Z1, which is the brand new gaskets for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and be replacing the high flow cats that I've already removed both of them and put one back in because, well, I thought I could get the rest of the lovely inside of that. But again, if you didn't see the previous video, that is my still in high flow cat. So I need to get up underneath my car. I need to move my light underneath, climb up underneath there and go ahead and start installing these. So be back in a little bit. Alright, so it's not the best view in the world, but here are the test pipes, which I don't know if these are sealed all the way or not. I tightened them down as best I could. And then the upper ones are bolted down, hand tight, like not hand tight, but like I can't get a torque wrench up there, so, but it's bolted down. So I'm gonna start the car tomorrow, see if I have any exhaust leaks. Alright, so it's extremely cold out. It's like 20 degrees out right now. I was able to start the car up, obviously, as you can hear. But unfortunately, I had a feeling there is obviously an exhaust leak from where the test pipe meets the cat back. So, more troubleshooting. So for now, just take care. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and I'll follow up with you guys later. Just got to try to figure out how to get these together to where it's not leaking like it is. Fun times. Bye.